Hi guys, I am an elk. I am a large animal. I live in the forests and swamps of North America and Eurasia. My food is grass, berries and mushrooms. I live in a group or in herd. I love the company. I have long horns to protect. Bye bye guys. Hi, I am a Peppa Pig. I am 4 years old. I have a younger brother, George. My best friend is Pony Pedro. Wow! Hi, I am a plum. I operate as a result of crossing cherry palms and thorns. There are a lot of vitamins in me. I can be of different colors. Wow. Hi, I am a seahorse. I live 4 or 5 years. I have no teeth and stomach, so I have to eat constantly. We create a coop for life.